Hi guys. Today we're gonna show you guys what we got. Family Dollar, right, Mateo?
Yeah, and I got this one.
Yeah. So we found these little just called squishy jiggly pals, but don't they look like mochis? Comment down below if these are mochis.
And it's called Squish Slime.
So what do you want to open first? I think we should open the mochis first.
I think yeah, we should open it.
All right. I'll open Mateo's first.
Now open mine.
Take them out.
They're so moosey. They're so moosey.
Oh, they smell like jiggly. Oh, they do feel like mochis. So Mateo got this cute little, this adorable. Stop. This adorable duck one.
And I got this adorable panda.
Yeah, he got this panda one. It's so cute.
And the duck like a rubber ducky.
And I'm gonna open mine. I got a bunny. And I believe. Oh my God, this is so cute. I believe this is a little polar bear or something. I got this little it looks like a static
It's
bunny.
so cute.
It looks like an aesthetic bunny. Yeah, aesthetic bunny, that's what it is.
Now
This mochi is literally the cutest. So I got the little bunny mochi. We got this little bunny mochi and I'm sorry, that was my grandma. Yeah, you have your Transformers. He has been obsessed with this, yeah. This is my grandma, don't mind that. We already opened it. We can restart it, right?
yeah,
We cannot restart the video. And I got this super cute. This polar bear. This polar bear is
and the
so
panda
cute.
can twist its ears.
Yeah. Exactly. Now, oh my God. My hands smell like jelly, like rubbery. Next, we're gonna open this Flarp patty. It says do not eat. Duh, we know.
The nose slime.
We know we're not gonna eat it. But it says ages 3+, so it's kind of good. But let's say it was 3, but he knows not to eat it.
And I twisted the panda.
This smells so good. Ew.
So
Ew. Wait.
Ew.
There's something in it. It's like this. Wait, Mateo. There's this hard piece in it, and I found this in it. It's so disgusting. Like, what the hell? There's a dry piece in here. Like, did we just waste all our money on a dried up slime? Alright, this is the putty. It actually smells really good. It smells like blueberry. And we're gonna see it fart. We're gonna see the farts. So,
So good to do the fights.
it's not farting. You try, Mateo. It's not farting, so I'm gonna try. Hi, Inky. We're gonna try to get it to fart. It's not farting. So did we just get?
Do I get a gobsmack?
Did we just get scammed or something?
And
Because this is not farting
and the panda like a gobsmack.
at all. It's not farting at all.
Let's just take it out and aggressive. Is it good? Oh, there we go. It's just right there. Sissy, look
I'm so happy with my little mochis. I think these are the cutest mochis ever.
And
You happy with your mochis?
yeah, and you smell more than that.
I love.
And you turn
I
this.
love this
Let's
little.
sit down and
My favorite is this a cat?
and turn this.
It looks like a cat. Cause look at the tail. There's a tail. If you guys can see, there's a tail. I know this is the polar bear. Polar bears don't have tails. They do, but they have they're like bunny tails, aren't they? I know this is a bunny, but comment down below what you think this is. I think this is a cat.
And this one.
fluffy, fluffy little cat. I love emojis now. These can be like our pets, right?
Yeah, they can be like pets.
You can just squish them,
And
squeeze them. I think these are good for anger, like stress balls, because you can squeeze them like as hard.
And you can put
You can-
it in this one, and it can fill its tail.
But don't put your emojis in the slime because that could be bad, okay? What's in there?
It's an owl.
Oh, yeah, owl. Like you can squeeze
And
them, and I don't
the
know.
owl
I just think they're good for
can
anger too.
My pet has to.
All right, let's see you. Meow meow. Let's see you unwrap it. Unwrap it. Pretty Bochi. Oh wait.
Please be an owl. Please be an owl. I got an owl. It's so cute. It's so cute. No, owl is not a poo. It's a swan.
By the way, if you're wondering where we got this Papa Dog cheese, that was from Build-A-Bear. Because I went to Minneapolis on my birthday. Not my 7th birthday, my 6th birthday, I think it was. Yeah, I think my 6th birthday.
And
Or
this
7th.
owl
Yeah, it's my
is
6th
one.
my 6th birthday, I think it was.
And this
I went to Minneapolis, we went to Build-A-Bear. I got a bear, but we were too bad. Mateo didn't have one, so...
No,
Paw Patrol.
This is to set a time put you in.
Let's check this panda out. You haven't showed it. Oh my god. That's so cute.
And the owl is getting
Look at that. That is
And,
adorable. My favorite of Mateo's is the rubber ducky.
And my favorite is
Which one was your favorite of mine?
the little polar bear.
I think this is a cat.
Now, I think it's a cat.
Comment down below which one is your favorite from mine. The bunny or the cat. I think I don't know if this is a cat or polar bear. I think it's a cat or a dog. It could be a cat. I'm just gonna do a cat. Comment down below which one is your favorite. This little bunny or this little squishy cat. And comment down below which one is your favorite of Mateo's. The little rubber duck or the panda. Yeah?
My
Here,
pet
emojis.
is happy. What's going to be? Please be an owl. Please don't be a cat. Yes, it's my favorite. It's an owl.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Hey, yeah.
And we'll be out. And